Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the Leetcode question number 243, shortest word distance. The question is, given an array of strings and two different strings that already exist in the array, return the shortest distance between these two words in the list. We are given two examples. In the first list, we have the words practice, makes, perfect, coding and makes. And our two different strings are coding and practice. We have practice in index 0 and coding in index 4. The shortest distance between these two strings are 3. Hence we are returning the output as 3. That is, from practice we are shifting once, twice and third time. Our next example has the words practice, makes, perfect, coding and makes. And our words are makes and coding. We have makes 2 times in the list and we have coding only once in the list. So the distance between makes and coding are either 2 or 1. So the shortest distance is 1. Hence we are returning the output as 1. I hope the question is clear. Now let's get into the approach. Let's assume that our word list is practice, makes, perfect, coding and makes. And our two words are makes and coding. The word makes are in two places. That is index position 1 and index position 4. For storing the index position of word 1, we will declare a variable first word position. And we will store the positions of the word makes. So we are storing the positions 1 and 4 in the first word position variable. Now let's see the second word, which is coding. The word coding is in the index position 3. So we are declaring the variable first word position and we are storing the value 3. Let's declare another variable output to store the result. In the output, we will store the absolute difference between first word position and second word position. So 3 minus 1 is 2 and 4 minus 3 is 1. Now we will take the minimum value of the output. In our case, the minimum value is 1. Hence, we are returning the output as 1. I hope the approach is clear. Now let's get into the implementation. First, let's declare the variable first word position, which is a list. Similarly, second word position is also a list. Second word position. Similarly, our output variable is also a list. Now let's iterate over the word dictionary for I in range of length of word dict. If word dict of I equals to word 1, then first word position dot append of I. If the word dict of I equals to word 2, then we will store the second word position list. Now we will iterate over the first word position and second word position and store the absolute difference in the output list. For I in first word position, for j in second word position, output dot append of abs of I minus j. At the end, we will return the min of output. Return min of output. That's pretty much it. Now let's submit it. Let me correct the typo. It is POC. Now let's submit it. The solution got accepted. I hope you like this video and I'm sure that you learned something new today. If you do like this video, please consider to subscribe and I will see you in yet another interesting Leetcode interview question. Thank you.